Welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to grow a lemon tree in a pot. No garden or warm climate required. With the right variety and care, you can enjoy fresh lemons on your balcony or patio. We'll cover choosing the tree, the best pot and soil, watering, feeding, and more. Ready to grow your own lemons? Let's dive in. Start with a dwarf or semi-dwarf lemon tree. These stay compact and thrive in containers. Improved Meyer lemon is a top pick for its sweet flavor and productivity. Dwarf Eureka is great for classic tart lemons. Choose a healthy, vibrant tree with glossy leaves and a sturdy trunk for the best start. Pick a pot with excellent drainage. Citrus roots hate soggy soil. Start with a 12-14-inch wide pot. Terracotta or fabric grow bags are ideal for airflow. Repot every 2-3 years, moving up just one size at a time to avoid waterlogged roots. Always ensure your pot has drainage holes, no exceptions. Use a light, well-draining mix, never garden soil. Combine 50% potting mix, 25% compost, and 25% perlite or pumice for aeration. The mix should feel fluffy and crumble easily in your hand. This keeps roots healthy and prevents rot. Water deeply, then let the top 2-3 inches of soil dry before watering again. Check soil moisture with your finger. If it's dry, it's time to water. Good drainage is key to prevent root rot. In summer, water more often, in winter, much less. Adjust based on climate and your plant's needs. Fertilize every 4-6 weeks in spring and summer with a citrus or balanced organic fertilizer. Stop feeding in fall and winter when growth slows. Consistent care means a thriving lemon tree with more blossoms and fruit. Lemon trees thrive with 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. Choose a spot that gets bright, unfiltered sun. South or west-facing locations are best. Use a compass or phone app to find the sunniest area in your garden or patio. If you bring your lemon tree indoors, place it by your brightest window, ideally facing south. Supplement with a full-spectrum grow light if needed. Look for fresh, bright new growth. This means your tree is happy and getting enough light. In spring, move your lemon tree outside to soak up natural sunlight and encourage strong growth. Prune your lemon tree in early spring as new growth appears. This keeps the tree open and airy, helping sunlight and air reach all parts for strong, healthy growth. Remove dead, damaged, or crossing branches, and trim leggy growth to shape the tree. Cut off suckers below the graft union. They drain energy and reduce fruit quality. Wipe leaves with a damp cloth to keep them healthy and check for pests. Always use clean, sharp shears to prevent disease. With regular care, your lemon tree will thrive and reward you with delicious fruit. Harvest lemons when they're fully yellow, slightly soft and heavy for their size. Lemons ripen on the tree, don't pick them green. Use pruning shears to snip fruit, leaving a bit of stem. Potted lemons often fruit year-round, so enjoy a steady supply. Expect your first lemons within 1-2 years from a young grafted tree. That's it! With the right care, you can grow lemons anywhere. Balcony, patio, or indoors. The scent and taste of homegrown lemons are unbeatable. Ready to start your own lemon grove? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Keep growing.